Good morning. I am creating this quick screencast to walk you through the group project. I've gotten a number of emails, and this seemed to be a good way to get everybody on the same page. So as you can see in the screen right now, I'm on our homepage for our class. And if you're in the 17976, it's going to work exactly the same way. The courses mirror one another. So like always say, start in the modules. The modules will tell us everything that we need in the order that we need it. And you'll see the orientation module popping up. Unit 1 is closed. And then in Unit 2, you were working on the lessons in interpersonal communication, and then for small group communication. And then you have, when you get into Lesson 6 for intercultural communication, that's where the project is. So we're going to do an application project where the group is going to look at intercultural communication. So there is a PowerPoint presentation about intercultural comm. You can see a reading quiz. And then there are 3 parts to this project. There's the project that you're going to present to the class. There is a brief reflection that you're going to write in Canvas about the roles in your group, and then one about the group process. So let's look at this group project and about intercultural communication. When you get in there, you can see that it's a graded discussion because after you create the project as a team, you're going to upload your slides that you have created audio for to Canvas so that we can all see it. And then this link right here is going to describe the project in full. The other part, that's the 50 points, the group roles, the group process. Here's the timeline. So we're starting on this group project tomorrow. And then if you look right here, there's this groups, teamwork, teams, and pairs. This will take us to a slide page about what are the teams. And again, I'm in the 19777 class, so you're seeing that group, but then the other class will see the other one. So you can see the different groups and the different cultures that you've been assigned to do. That way you can tell who am I in a group with, so you can start figuring out how you're going to get together. Let's go look at the project. So the idea behind this project is that when you've gone through the intercultural chapter, you read, you learn about the different characteristics of cultures: individualism, collectivism, high context, low context. But one of the things at the beginning of this project is you want us to get to understand the culture. How much are they like America? How much are they different from us? So you're going to select 5 of these 10 different attributes of a culture. And you can find information about that at the CIA World Factbook. This is a free tool where you can learn all about the food, the education, the economy, religion, clothing. And then I notice I have optional because you may find things that you think are interesting. And then you are going to learn about that culture based on the cultural characteristics that were mentioned in our textbook. And then for extra credit, you can describe the prejudices, benevolent or hostile, for people from that culture. So you could do a slide about that. And this is the rubric. So you are going to get a total of 10 points, 2 points for each item if you give a good detailed description of the food, education, family structure, clothing. You know, again, give us a sense of what the culture and its people are like. How are they like us? How are they different from us? So we understand how much we have in common. And then you're going to do the cultural attributes. And you're going to need to justify, you know, this is what it is and this is why they have it. And then give an example. Here's an example of how this plays out in the workplace. There's how it plays out in interpersonal relationships. You will get points when everyone needs to participate in the presentation of the project, and your presentation should be about 7 to 10 minutes. So this is me mostly trying to limit your scope so you don't try to create an hour-long documentary about your culture. And again, you've got your extra credit. These were the different cultures that I had looked at, and everyone's been assigned a culture. And then here's some tools. This is how to add video to a presentation and then how to upload a project. You can use Screencast-O-Matic, which is the tool I brought up at the beginning of this semester. about for making your introductory video, or you can use whatever tools that you want. One of the things that I'm going to go in here and add is a link to the Geert Hofstede site that talks about the different cultures as related to these cultural characteristics. So if you need anything else, or if you have any other questions, be sure and let me know. But hopefully this video has helped to explain the project a little bit better.